y yo soy Denisse. This is our first YouTube video and our new channel. So please make sure that you show us some love and subscribe. If you've gotten this far, go ahead and just click that subscribe button and like while you're at it, and please comment down below on how we could have done better. We definitely want to work on that. It is our first video, so just let us know. And if you've made we wanted to show you guys that Dollar General came out with their own makeup line, so it's super affordable. If you guys liked this look, go ahead and watch this video. The brand is LUVLYS. It was actually not bad. You guys go ahead and check it out. I mean, it's really bomb products for a low price. It's not gonna get any better than that. We went to Dollar General. I think we had already told you guys, and we got some of the LUVLYS products. This is what we're gonna be doing a full face of. We're gonna try it out and tell you guys what we think about it. And what we have in front of us is their foundation. The color that we got was the neutral tan. You wanna tell them the rest? And then we got some primer. This is Pretty and Prime, a Stay Put makeup primer. So we'll see how that works out. I was looking for a more hydrating kind of primer for my skin, but this will do for both of ours. They actually didn't have it at the Dollar General that we went to. They were out of it. We got their concealer in the color light beige, and then we also got a little contour, highlight, and blush trio. And then we got a small little palette, like a fall, so we can do eyeshadow palette, so that we can do an autumn fall kind of vibe makeup look for you guys. We also got their lippy in the color Foxy. Okay, and then we also got their eyebrow pencil in ash brown. You can see that. And then their mascara in Volume Eyes. We also got their foundation brush and their blending eyeshadow brush. One side we are going to be doing it with the Real Techniques beauty blender, and then the other side we're going to be doing it with the foundation brush. Their foundation brush. We'll see how we do. First things first is the primer. And I'm just going to take these out of here. This is the type of primer that I like, just because I have more oily face, so it's like, seems like a little bit more silicone-y, or more liquidy than I thought it was gonna be, but hopefully it actually stays put. And I just dot it on and I start off. No, it was smushed in like that, look. So the brush feels nice, soft. It doesn't actually feel bad. It doesn't feel like cheap. So it's a very pretty brush, actually. It is. So really, it's like, it has a good grip too. It's not too light and it's not too heavy. Interruption. Real life with kids, y'all. Yes. Baby and a toddler. And my skin is a little bit more on the combination side. I feel like I have oily spots, like my T-zone. For a $5 foundation, it's made out of glass, and it also has a pump, which I love. Pumps are good. Don't have to get messy with that open bottle. It does say on here that you have to allow 1 to 2 minutes for it to start setting before we apply any foundation on. So we'll see. Sure did. You didn't wait for it to get tacky. I'm still waiting. This girl will wait for days. It's okay, looking really good. Yeah, and I feel like the color is good. We'll just see if it oxidizes. That's the one concern that I always have.
Where we at? My turn. Let's see here.
You know, my sister is a little bit lighter than me, so hopefully it works out for her, but I definitely like how it's looking on my skin. I feel like it's a really good shade. I feel like we picked a really good shade. And here's the little crybaby right here. Meet Damien, because he loves to just be in the mix. Say hi. You okay? And that's my little baby in the background. Are you guys here? You know what? I should have started with brows. I normally start with brows, but today
We're gonna do it different.
yes, we're gonna do
Something new.
different.
And I like
I actually really like it. As you can see, it like covered all my dark spots. So it's really good. I really like it.
Sorry you guys, I like to take my time when I do my makeup and I like to apply it.
Look at the applicator, you guys. It's actually really good. It's kind of dipped in. I've heard that with these type of applicators, you don't have to keep on dipping in because it holds in a lot of products in the middle. You know, damage the goods.
What is right now is that
This is. I will blend out my chin and my forehead with the brush. My sister's like a full coverage type of biatch, even though she doesn't need it.
I just like to be very full coverage. I don't know. They both, well, I feel like the brush definitely did a better job than what the Little Technique sponge did.
You guys, the brows is gonna be hard for me because the camera is like kind of far away. So don't come for me if they don't come out great. This is gonna be difficult. I almost want to get a small mirror, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna just go.
I feel like that. I like how the concealer applied. I feel like, you know, it actually gave you more of the product when laying it out.
I do like that the fact that it came with the spoolie. That's pretty cool. I got some thick brows, y'all, so.
And I actually don't like to put a lot of setting powder.
Let's move on to the eyeshadow. For me, I'm good where I'm at. I like. Pretty much for me, everything's been pretty darn good. Like,
On the go day where you're gonna go out, I don't know, like just a quick run, an errand or whatever, I think this is actually a good foundation to do that for. But si vas a ir al baile, hell no girl, you better get your full coverage down.
we only got one other blending eyeshadow brushes because that's all they had at our store. Hopefully we can go back and we might find other brushes. Let's make it a little bit of a challenge for ourselves, and hopefully we can complete this look with just this eyeshadow brush.
Pretty cool, if you guys can see that. That's what it looks like.
You guys, the eyeshadow is pigmented, like seriously. I just did like one little dip in it.
That's
That is pretty nice coverage. Again, I'm not gonna do a crazy like eyeshadow look or anything like that. It doesn't really have a name either, but I went in with the darkest one right here.
I also, when I do my brows, I like to brush them out first and then kind of go in afterwards. And as you can see, definitely do like how she does my eyebrows. I'm working on it, you guys. Eyebrows was not a like huge thing for me.
Especially growing up, you guys know the chola brows back in the day. She definitely overplucked them.
I did. I had beautiful thick brows like her, but you know I had to get in there and shoot, I was living the vida loca. All right.
You guys, I'm so jealous of my sister because she has like the longest eyelashes, and she swears she needs freaking eyelashes, fake eyelashes when she doesn't. She really doesn't. But
I really like when you know you are rocking this beautiful eyeshadow look, and you just need the eyelashes to kind of like
finish it off.
finish it off.
I feel you. I'm just blending that same eyeshadow.
And I'm probably gonna skip the second eyebrow because I'm sick for you.
She'll come back when she's done with that one. I'm gonna use the same foundation brush for the contour. And y'all, I love me some contour. Where did mine? And I like to put on my nose. It's okay for a $5 trio. I feel like the blush is the first thing to go. Ooh, the wand is not bad, you guys. I cannot wait to try this out. It's like it's a hard bristles, you know. It's not one of those like traditional brushes or anything. Kind of dips in the middle, so let's hope that it comes out pretty good.
This is my ACV. Pretty much I drink it after my breakfast until lunchtime comes up, and then after lunch I'll also do it once again until dinner, and that's just to kind of help digest and break down the foods that I eat. And it's also really good for your skin, your nails, and your hair. Alright, pues no miro nada, you guys.
If it transfers, y'all. It definitely transfers, so just watch out. Beware. You will. I do have like really like favorite YouTubers though. Like I love Sari. I love her.
Yes, me too. That is my girl there.
Lily Betsabe too. I enjoy her videos. She is so beautiful. They both are. But I really like them, and they're super humble, and you know, they give great tips. Especially I love Sarai because I feel like she's been a makeup artist for such a long time, and I really like that. You know, you feel like you're talking to a pro, and when she demonstrates something also.
Here, love and live for this trio right here. Our next YouTube video is going to be on makeup that we actually really love. So please watch our next video. It'll be coming soon. And we're actually trying to figure out a whole schedule on how to do this because I am a mother of 3 and my sister is of 2.
We're newly stay-at-home moms, you guys. We've worked pretty much since we were young.
Yes, that's Damien.
The little toddler here.
Yes, he's always in everybody's business. All right, so check us out.